let people get killed. Find Joe this on horse. Make sure the old lady finds out that he's still from.
There's the big girl. That's Ellie. She's the big one. It's Mr. Aussie in the back. Mr. Awesome. At least I thought he was awesome. Till I got her. Saw how big she is. There's Mr. Cheeky. Because he's a stinker. The little purple one. He's actually violet. Come on, Mr. Cheeky. There he is. He doesn't have as good a form. But he does have a fluffy head when he fluffs it up. Those are the two boys. There's the girl. That's Ellie, the big girl. And here's Dolly. I wasn't as happy with hers first. She doesn't have bright coloring. And she's got these dark feathers above her nose that I just hate. But I'm hoping that they're going to fade away. Or that when she molts. But she has good form too. For an English budgie. Instead of little dots, her dots below her neck are all big. And that's what they try to get with the English budgies. But I just like the little dots. So that's Dolly. See the difference? Their sizes. They can puff up their top head, but not like the girls do. So the girls are the better bred ones. There's Ellie. I'm not sure why she's sitting up there. Doesn't look very comfortable to me. There she is. There's his pretty color. He's got the prettiest color. Okay, there she is now. There's Ellie. She's the big girl. Okay, there they are. English budgies, the two boys, still bonded to each other. It's my birdies.